Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm Raj from Raj's Exotic Detailing, and we just wrapped up on this beautiful 2017 Epic 25C. Now this boat got a lot done by us. Now check out the before photos so you can see exactly what it looked like, but this boat is absolutely glowing. So I want to kind of go through exactly what we did to this vessel. Now, not only did we start off, we did gel coat repair. The starboard side of the boat, actually on the back side, had a patch of white that was completely spider cracked. We fixed all that area. On the port side, on the bottom, on the blue, all of that was completely gouged, completely scratched. The keel of this boat was completely damaged, and there were some areas on the interior that were actually chipped, and we repaired all of those. So aside from doing the gel coat, moving on, we did our full restoration package. The entire vessel, all of the oxidation is removed on this vessel. Not some of it, not a fluff and buff. This is completely done right, where every bit of this oxidation is off to where this boat is back to factory. Moving on from that, we did a custom acrylic dash on this vessel. Now, when I say that, the customer's powder coat from the factory was actually completely corroded up underneath it. You could see where it was, some of it was flaking off, some of it was actually having issues where it was bubbling up. So we went ahead and replaced it for the customer and also etched everything in there, exact same switch locations for the customer. We added a scan grip charger for them and also engraved in the acrylic Epic, where it's the exact logo of the boat. A couple other things that we had to do custom. They don't make these letters, the 25SC, for this boat. And so we had an option whether to do domed, or we had an option of getting custom acrylic. So we made custom acrylic numbers for the 25SC in the back, as well as the console. On the back side of the boat, we went ahead and refinished the skeg for the customer on the actual motor for the Suzuki. Now, last but not least, on this vessel, we completely protected this boat top to bottom. That is what we do for your cars, your boats, your jet skis, your pontoons, whatever you have, that's what we are known for. So after the restoration and everything is done with the vessel, we completely protected this boat top to bottom. The entire interior is done, the boxes are done, the console's done, the floor is done. The entire outside of the vessel, on the hull sides, the bottom, the motor, the raptors are done. Every single thing is completely done on this vessel for protection. And if you guys have a vessel that you'd like done, if you have a car that you'd like done, window tint, coatings, restoration, whatever it is, that's what we can do for you. So come check us out. We're on 2802 Chicot in Pascagoula. I'm Raj from Raj's Exotic Detailing. Feel free to call me. Check our website, check our Facebook page. And we'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.